Hi guys, my name is Prateek Verma and welcome to Stockwise. In today's video, we are going to discuss how we can trade Nifty for the next week and what are the important levels and how we can plan our trade according to it. This white line is support and resistance and this yellow line is the range according to the VIX for the coming week. So as we can see that this was the breakout of this range and we have traveled significantly from that range, and this is a spike and channel pattern, and since we break out from this range we are still following this trend line. So till we are above this trend line I am not bearish at all, and till we are maintaining this area of support. But what I can see is that there is a loss of momentum. Like we see a rally from here, we almost retraced 50%, then a rally, we didn't retraced but we became sideways from here, and then we see a rally and we saw almost 100% retracement. With this rally we also saw a more than 50% retracement. So we can clearly see that there is a loss of momentum, and the big players, they are not ready to buy here in this area. They are waiting for this area. Like we can see here they are waiting for this area, they are not buying here. So I am planning to do a sideways trade here with this range. So let's see how we can plan a trade from here. As the VIX is on the lower side, what I'm planning to do is that I have sold 18,200 calls and 17,150 puts for the next expiry, that is 14th, not the 7th one, for the 14th expiry, 4 lots each, and I have bought 17,150 puts and 18,250 calls for the 21st expiry. So this gives us a range of about 17,050 and 18,286. This range is well above our desired range. Like that range is almost here, and here. So we have a significant area to move. So this is my plan. Now let's talk about the adjustment. The adjustment that I am going to make is only if the market breaks above this level, its previous resistance, or below this level. Till then I'm not going to do any adjustment. And what is going to be my adjustment? If market breaks this level or market breaks this level, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy my break even, like for the 14th expiry, not the 21st, of the 14th expiry. Like our break even is 18,280, I am going to buy 18,300. This trade is going to be like this. And what I will do is that I am going to shift this put side. As market is moving above, I am going to shift this put side. So this will increase my credit in the center and the sides also. So this trades become completely safe then. And if it comes back in my range, like if it's break above and then comes back in the range, I'm going to square off my additional buys. And for the shifting purpose, what I will do is to increase my profit in the center, I will try to shift as the days passes. I will try to shift my sold puts and sold calls inside if the market is in the center, or if it's on the one side, then I will shift only put side. I will shift both sold puts and bought puts together, so my loss to one side doesn't increases. With this quantity I am planning to get at least 3,500, and my stop loss will be around 4,500. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel for these kinds of videos every week. Thank you.